Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you After Effects beginners tutorial, especially on how to create project and how to import media in After Effects. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened After Effects application on my computer, and when the first time you open the After Effects, the appearance will look like this, and you're going to click on new project to start creating new project. Okay, and if you want to import media to your project, you can click on file and you're going to select import and then select a file or multiple files. I'm just going to select file and I'm going to import a video from my device. I'm just going to select this video and click on import. And now the video has been imported to this project, and you can create new composition by clicking on this new composition option, or you can click on this icon to create a new composition. It's the same, and I'm just going to click on it, and you can name your composition. I'm just going to name it project. Okay, then you can select the preset right here. I'm just going to use this preset. Then you can customize the aspect ratio, and once you're done customizing the composition setting, you can click on OK. Okay, and if you want to add the media to your composition, you just need to drag it like this, and the media will be added to the composition, just like that. And you will be able to edit your video or your photo maybe using this After Effects. Alright guys, then that's all the After Effects beginners tutorial, especially on how to create project and how to import media. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.